Technology is moving faster than ever before, but every once in a while, a breakthrough appears that completely changes the future. This time, that breakthrough is coming from Tesla. The company that transformed electric cars is now aiming to transform robotics with the latest version of its humanoid machine, Optimus Gen 3. Around the world, people are beginning to realize that this is not just another robot. It could become one of the most important technological inventions of this generation. When Elon Musk first introduced the idea of a Tesla robot, many people doubted it. Some believed it was just another futuristic concept that would take decades to become real. But Tesla continued improving the project step by step. Now, with Gen 3, the company has introduced massive upgrades in intelligence, movement, efficiency, and real-world usefulness. And according to many tech experts, this robot may completely change the robotics industry forever. The biggest reason people are excited about Tesla Bot Gen 3 is its new AI brain. Tesla has spent years building advanced artificial intelligence for its self-driving cars, and now much of that technology is being used inside Optimus. Unlike traditional robots that simply follow fixed commands, Gen 3 is designed to understand environments, learn tasks, and make decisions in real time. This means the robot can adapt to situations much more naturally than older machines. One of the most impressive upgrades is movement. Previous humanoid robots often looked stiff and slow. They struggled with balance and could not move naturally like humans. But Tesla Bot Gen 3 appears smoother, faster, and far more stable. Videos and demonstrations have shown the robot walking confidently, carrying objects, turning its body naturally, and even handling delicate items carefully. This level of mobility represents a major step forward for humanoid robotics. Tesla engineers reportedly redesigned the robot's internal structure to reduce weight while increasing strength. This allows Gen 3 to move more efficiently while using less energy. Lighter materials, smarter motors, and improved balance systems make the robot more practical for everyday environments. Instead of looking like a heavy industrial machine, Optimus Gen 3 feels closer to a real assistant built for human spaces. Another important feature is hand movement. Human hands are incredibly complex, and replicating them has always been difficult for robotics companies. Tesla worked heavily on improving finger control and precision. Gen 3 can now grip objects more carefully and perform detailed tasks with much greater accuracy. Whether it is picking up tools, carrying groceries, or sorting items in a factory, these improvements make the robot far more useful in the real world. Artificial intelligence is where Gen 3 becomes truly revolutionary. Tesla's neural network systems allow the robot to process huge amounts of visual and environmental data. Cameras placed around the robot help it understand surroundings similarly to how Tesla vehicles understand roads. Instead of relying only on pre-programmed movements, the robot can respond dynamically to obstacles and changes around it. This could completely redefine automation. Factories already use robotic systems, but most are limited to repetitive tasks in controlled environments. Optimus Gen 3 may eventually work in places designed for humans without requiring massive infrastructure changes. Since the robot has a humanoid shape, it can potentially use human tools, open doors, climb stairs, and operate in normal buildings. That flexibility could save companies billions in future automation costs. Experts believe warehouses may become one of the first major industries transformed by Tesla Bot Gen 3. Warehouses require repetitive lifting, sorting, transporting, and organizing tasks. Human workers often face exhaustion and injuries from physically demanding labor. A humanoid robot capable of working continuously could dramatically increase productivity while reducing workplace strain. But Tesla's vision goes far beyond factories. Elon Musk has repeatedly suggested that Optimus could eventually become a personal assistant for millions of households. Imagine a robot helping with chores, carrying heavy items, cleaning rooms, organizing groceries, or assisting elderly family members. While that future may still take time, Gen 3 shows that Tesla is moving much closer to making it possible. One reason Tesla has an advantage over many robotics companies is data. Tesla vehicles collect enormous amounts of visual information from roads worldwide. The company has already built some of the most advanced AI training systems on Earth. This experience with machine learning gives Tesla a major advantage in developing intelligent robots capable of understanding the physical world. The robot's energy efficiency is also impressive. Traditional humanoid robots often consume large amounts of power and operate for limited periods. Tesla's expertise in batteries and energy systems may help Optimus Gen 3 work longer, while remaining practical for commercial use. Efficient battery design could become one of the key reasons Tesla succeeds where others struggled. Another exciting possibility is integration with Tesla's larger ecosystem. In the future, Tesla vehicles, robots, and AI systems may communicate together seamlessly. A Tesla bot could potentially unload groceries from a self-driving Tesla car, manage household tasks, or assist with smart home systems automatically. This connected ecosystem could create an entirely new technological lifestyle. Safety is another major focus. Tesla understands that humanoid robots must operate safely around humans. Gen 3 reportedly includes advanced sensors and environmental awareness systems to avoid dangerous collisions or accidents. The robot's movements are designed to be controlled and precise, rather than aggressive or unpredictable. This will be critical if robots eventually become common in homes and workplaces. The speed of Tesla's progress has shocked many people in the tech industry. Humanoid robotics was once considered decades away from practical use, but Gen 3 suggests the timeline may be accelerating rapidly. Investors, engineers, and technology enthusiasts are now paying close attention because Tesla appears serious about scaling production in the future. Many analysts believe cost will determine whether humanoid robots become mainstream. If Tesla can manufacture Optimus robots at lower prices using its massive production expertise, the company could dominate the robotics market similarly to how it disrupted electric vehicles. Elon Musk has even hinted that robots may eventually become more valuable than Tesla's car business itself. Competition is also growing quickly. Other major companies are racing to develop advanced humanoid robots. However, Tesla's combination of AI expertise, manufacturing scale, battery technology, and real-world data may give it a powerful advantage. Gen 3 demonstrates that Tesla is not simply experimenting anymore. It is building toward a serious commercial future. The social impact of humanoid robots could be enormous. Some people are excited because robots may eliminate dangerous or repetitive jobs. Others worry about job displacement and economic disruption. If robots become capable of performing many forms of labor, industries around the world may change dramatically. Governments and businesses may eventually need entirely new economic strategies to adapt. The design of Tesla Bot Gen 3 is another major improvement. Earlier prototypes looked experimental and unfinished, but Gen 3 appears far more polished and realistic. The slimmer body, smoother movements, and modern appearance help make the robot feel like a genuine product rather than a research project. Public perception matters, and Tesla clearly understands the importance of design. Tesla Bot Gen 3 is more than just another machine. It may represent the beginning of one of the biggest technological revolutions in modern history. Robotics is changing forever, and this could be only the beginning.